Hey, welcome to Tech Much. I have here the Honor 7X, and in this video I am going to tell you about the fingerprint sensor, how good it is and how accurate it is. And as you see in the video now, it's Honor's 7X fingerprint is very accurate. Like most of their Honor devices, they have perfected their fingerprint sensor technology. And what you can do with the fingerprint sensor? Well, a lot. There are also touch and hold gestures where you can take a photo or answer call or stop an alarm by just touching and holding on the fingerprint sensor area with any finger. And there is also slide gestures. So a slide gesture can show the notification panel when you slide up and down. And there's also a browse photo option, so we can go to the gallery. Whether the phone has an app lock, yes, it also has an app lock, so you can protect your apps with your fingerprint sensor. And you can browse the photo gallery with your fingerprint sensor by moving to the left and right. So that's about the fingerprint sensor in the Honor 7X, and hope you enjoyed this video. And Honor has done a perfect job with their fingerprint sensor, and it works like a charm. It has a lot of features to it, and it's a great addition to a wonderful phone. And if you like this video, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for watching more such tech bits on this channel. Have a great day. Cheers.